I just hit 600 subscribers. That is so awesome. Didn't really think I'd see that. Didn't really expect it. And I know there's probably some that are like, it's just 600. Let me put it to you this way. Picture yourself standing in front of 600 people speaking to them. I don't know. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Jill, or Jay, with Texas Gardening Gal. Welcome to my gardening channel, and thank you for subscribing. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. So just a little chit chat tonight. No dirt, no bugs, no flowers or vegetables or fruit or plants, just me. I have a lot of big changes coming, and I can't wait to tell you. I'll probably tell you this weekend. You're going to be seeing a lot more of me, and we're going to be doing a lot more things, gardening, and we're going to have fun with it. The one big change that I have made in my life is my diet. So with that being said, I really want to make a goal for myself of trying to plant as much as I can here for me. Obviously, because I don't have to go buy it at a store. And just the fact that I'm growing it, I know what's going on with it for the most part. I've really tried to push myself to slowly go with a plant-based diet. And if you hear snoring, I'm really sorry. My boxer is sleeping and he's tired. So here's some of the things that I've done. So for example, soda. I didn't drink a lot of soda, but yep, I would drink it every time we would go out to a restaurant, a friend's house, around home. I might have a little bit. And then it was like the regular soda. And then I was like, ooh, no, we should do diet because diet's so much better for you, right? No, it's not. So no more soda. I haven't had soda for a long time, like months. That was the first thing I cut out. And then the more and more I started doing research on, what nutrition can do for your body. I watched a lot of YouTube. I found my favorites. I did a lot of reading. I've ordered cookbooks. I've done a lot of research. And so I thought, okay, we're going to try this. And so I've slowly worked myself into it. Like, I'm not a big meat person, so that wasn't too hard. So really no more meats. Then another thing was the dairy. I kind of slowly removed the dairy, where instead of drinking a glass of milk for dinner, it was water or tea. I liked shredded cheese on, like a salad or baked potato. Well, it got to a point where nope, no more. So no dairy, no meat. I drink almond milk, and I still do eat eggs. I will eat eggs. That's one thing that I will not cut out of my diet. So the other thing that now I'm trying to adjust to and figure out is when we do go to restaurants, trying to make those good choices at restaurants. Depending on the restaurant, I have no issue. But there are times where if we go to a restaurant, the selection's real slim. So, for example, I would go to a place and say, okay, I'll order chicken tenders with a sweet potato. And okay, I might eat one chicken tender out of the 5 that's there, but I will eat the sweet potato and a vegetable. But I've really, I think for myself, have done very well. And I'm going to try to, like I said, figure out, you know, to try to get better with that. But overall, my diet has really improved. I'm super happy with everything. I'm trying to learn different recipes and obviously take vitamins. But it's just kind of another addition that I can add to where I have to garden more. And I do share my meals. I'll do pictures of them, and I think, what is it, the community tab, where you can add your posts. Maybe it's called posts here. Posts, I will post pictures of like what my lunch is, like I did today and yesterday, I think. So that's number one. I'm trying to gradually change my diet to plant-based, which I'm pretty close to there. It's just like I said, there's a few incidents where if you go to a restaurant, you know, I'll eat a little bit, but not really a whole lot. Okay, enough about that. I'm trying to get kind of ideas in my head about how I can give you a change of scenery with some of my videos. I'm trying to get some ideas of what little projects I can do that I've noticed have been very popular on my channel. For example, a lot of the water features have been very popular, so I might try to figure out, again, a little small water feature. I do have my stock tank pond still up and running. I'm waiting on a seed order too. I did purchase a bunch of seeds off of Etsy, and a lot of these seeds, if I remember right, are new to me, so it'll be interesting to see how they grow. What else? I'm going to try to start growing some things indoors. I'm getting ready for fall because, you know, we're mid-July, so we got to get ready for fall. And I found those are my favorite times of year to garden here is fall and spring. Summer, no. I think I'm going to start doing like my summer videos with more maintenance things around here, new projects, cleanup, and maybe some certain growing projects when I do some more research on what's going to really grow well here. I have some bucket projects I'm going to do with you all very soon, and I think that'll be fun to see how we can grow things in some buckets on a patio and really focus on if you don't have a yard, if you're in an apartment, a townhouse. So, you know, it's harder for people that don't have these yards to do that stuff, but you can still garden on your patio. You don't need big yards. So we'll try to do little projects like that, so that way, hey, maybe you can have a little garden on your patio, your balcony at your apartment, and be like, yeah, I can garden. I don't need a big yard. So we'll do that. So I'm just trying to find little projects and little fun things that we can do together. And that's kind of what I want this channel to be about, is just kind of experimenting with new things, having fun, and just learn as we go. We'll see what we can learn together, experiment, figure out what works and doesn't work. It's almost midnight. These days go by way too fast. One of my projects that I wanted to do got pushed off because of the wonderful Hurricane Beryl. I really don't want any more storms this year. I'm good. Shoo. I don't want them. I don't want them no more. Okay, I noticed I'm just like sinking slower and slower down in this chair because I'm tired. It's after midnight, so I need to go to bed. But I just really wanted to come on here and thank you all for subscribing. Welcome, new subscribers. We're going to have fun. There's going to be more videos. I know I've been boring lately. Just hang on, okay? It'll be okay. And thank you. I just keep thinking, you know, like you have your favorite YouTubers and you start looking forward to their videos. And I just keep thinking, it makes me so happy to know that I have you all watching and that I maybe make your day. Maybe I put a smile on your face. You know what I mean. So anyways, because I know, like, for example, if my favorites don't post videos on a regular basis, I'm just like, where are they? What's going on? I miss watching them. So anyway, I've talked enough. Y'all have a good night. We'll see you soon. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, follow, subscribe, hit the bell. If there's a bell, yeah, there's a bell. Hit the bell so you know when I do have video up and ready. And we'll see you soon. We're going to have fun. Bye.